guys, today I'm going to be making shrimp and veggie noodles in the Instant Pot. So what I'll be using today is 1 cup of frozen vegetables, 1 cup of frozen shrimps, 1 pack of instant noodles or any noodles of your choice, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, salt to taste. Be careful not to add too much salt since the soy sauce is salty. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of garlic paste, up to half a cup of oil, and 1 cup of water. So let's get started. So I've set my Instapot onto saute mode and I let it warm up a bit. So now I'm going to be adding in my oil, my sesame seeds, my garlic paste, my brown sugar, my soy sauce, my salt, and finally my black pepper. And now I'm just going to be mixing it for about a minute. So now I'll be adding in my vegetables. And my shrimps. And my water. And now I'm just going to be mixing it. If you think you need a little bit more water, you can add some more. And now I'm going to be adding in my noodles. I might just add another half cup of water. You don't have to cover the noodles completely in water since it will cook by the steam. So now I will be turning off my Instant Pot and I will be putting on the lid. And then you want to make sure it's on sealing. And then I will set my Instant Pot onto manual for 6 minutes. Once the timer is up, we will do a quick release. Once the pin is dropped, it is safe to open the Instant Pot. So you're going to want to turn off your Instant Pot, and then you're going to want to put it on saute mode to burn off all the excess water. Once the water is burned off, your noodles will be ready. So now your noodles are ready. I cannot wait to dig in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video.